Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to set this PC as the default one when you open the File Explorer on Windows 10. When you open the File Explorer on the Windows 10, it will directly open the quick access. It shows the frequent folders and recent files which you have opened. But most of us want to set this PC as the default one when you open the File Explorer. From the menu you will have an option called as view. Click on that, and under view you need to click on options. Now you will be shown folder options. Under general tab you will have option called as open file explorer to. By default it is set to quick access. You need to set this option to this PC and click on apply and click on OK. Now let's close the file explorer, and now let's open the file explorer to see whether it is opening on the this PC or quick access. I have opened the file explorer. Now you can see that it is directly opening this PC instead of quick access. So that's it guys. In this way you can set your Windows file explorer to this PC as a default one instead of quick access. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.